This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hi, friends! We have a super interesting craft for you today.
And very sparkly. So we're gonna make something you can paint with on your face.
By the way, here's a little hint for you. And here's a mold for you, Sue.
You might have already guessed that we're making lipstick. And not just any lipstick, but Cinderella lipstick.
No way!
Yes way! So we should try to make it as beautiful as possible. What should I use to trim those excess edges? I got it! A clay stack will do the trick. Now it's going to look neat and uniform.
Oh, it's so shiny! Give it to me! I'll wear it as a vest.
We need this for the craft! There we go. I will slowly assemble our lipstick tube and make the whole thing look neat, of course. Doesn't it look perfect?
Well then, let's play catch!
Gotcha! I'm the best player of the season. Maybe I should consider a career in playing catch. Nah, I seem to be much better at making cool crafts. Especially with an awesome helper like you, Sammy.
Ow, you're making me blush, Susie.
Since our lipstick is Cinderella style, we'd better emphasize that. So, what do you think? Is there anything we should add? Huh?
Well, it looks kind of boring. Oh, an idea! I'm going to be a fairy godmother, bibbidi-bobbidi-boo!
Oh, wow! This really does look like real magic. Now, to keep lips from getting dry from lipstick, I suggest making a lip balm. We're going to need a special mold.
Would a ring mold work?
Absolutely. First, let's start by making a jar for our lip balm. Done! And now for the balm itself. This shade of pink will suit everyone. Sammy, I need some more magic here.
Sure! Hey, where's my magic wand?
Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Excuse me, can we help you with something?
I have a ball tonight and I'm not ready. I need a miracle.
Yeah, right.
Oh, a miracle, you say? Let's see. I know! We're going to give you a makeover. You'll be the belle of the ball, I promise.
Yay!
Let's give this lipstick a try, too. Shall we?
Okay, here we go.
Wow, that looks so good on you.
Oh, we almost forgot about our craft. Sammy, it's your cue.
Fairy godmother magic, do your thing!
Yay, it looks great. And we're moving on. Now let's get to the eyes. What's an evening look without some eyeshadow? Personally, I prefer more natural shades. But when it comes to the ball, the brighter, the better. Don't you think so, Sammy?
I love shades as vibrant as myself! As you can see, I'm quite bright.
Yeah. You're one hard slime to miss, even in the dark. Let's make our craft hard to miss, too. Talking about colors, have you picked out the shades yet? Sammy? Can you not hear me?
You won't believe what I found at the end of the rainbow.
Whoa! So much for the pot of gold. But it is gold to us, right? Look at all these colors. Yum!
Prepare yourself. The shade I've chosen will blow your mind.
That tickles.
Our next craft is going to be mascara. There's nothing better to emphasize your long lashes. This craft is easy and fun. First, let's make the mascara tube. Now we can do the brush. Looks like I'm gonna need a pair of scissors.
Here you go. But be careful. The scissors are sharp.
That's true. So if you're making a craft with us friends, you can ask an adult for help. And this is what you should get.
Ah, what a lovely smell this flower has. Hey, I think I found something to hold our craft together.
Great job. This is exactly what I need, Sammy. Oh, we nearly forgot about the other half of the mascara tube. I'll fill it with black mascara so there's enough for many balls ahead. Sammy, we need your magic again.
No problem. And 1, and 2,
magic's run out. I didn't think it was possible. What do we do now?
Well, maybe this will help.
Gold glitter? You're a real lifesaver, thank you! I'll have to hand paint it, but I like it even better that way. Sometimes it's nice to work with your hands instead of using magic. Done, now we can put it on your eyelashes.
Okay, please don't close your eyes. Nice and easy, one step at a time.
What a lovely makeup. Ow, I wish I'd had time to do my nails.
No worries, we'll get right on that. Let's make 2 nail polish colors for you to choose from. As you can see, the first one will be pink and shiny.
And the second one bright and red.
Whoa! That's a tough choice you're gonna have to make. Sammy, can you help me with this, please? We need to cut this into 2 pieces.
Of course, cutting clay is my second nature.
All right, I'll use the toothpicks again to put all the pieces together. And now a couple of finishing touches. There we go. It's time to make a pick. Which color do you like best?
I knew it. No one can resist the color pink.
Yay, I'm so beautiful.
Here's a riddle for you, friends. What craft are we going to make next? Well, I can say this will be something pink and crumbly. Any ideas, Sammy?
Are those eyeshadows? Oh no, wait. We already made the shadows. Come on, cut out already.
Not the eyeshadows, but you're very close. For this craft, we will need pink clay of 2 different shades of pink. Come on, you know the answer, I'm sure.
Oh, I get it! We're making blush!
Yay! You got it right. Well done. Now watch and learn. I'll show you a top secret technique for creating blush. First, we'll cut this thing into several pieces. Now we flip them over and put them back together. Like this. Did you get it? That's how easy and simple it is to make a beautiful mosaic for blush. But it's not only beautiful, it also allows us to blend the blush shades more evenly. Cool, right?
We made so many beauty products today. I'm exhausted.
Stay strong, Sammy. We've got to finish the makeover for our doll. Every doll deserves to have fun at the ball. Now we need a special brush.
I've got it all set up, Sue. Here you go.
Great, let's start with the brush handle. It needs to be a little thicker at one end. And this is where I'll trim the excess. Huh? Here are the bristles, check this out.
We can't leave it like this, can we? This texture will make it more realistic.
We shouldn't forget about the glitter. Now I'll put the 2 pieces with 2 toothpicks, and that's it. We can apply the blush.
Finally! I've waited for this for so long! It will make you look fresh and rested! Whoa! I mean, look at the difference!
I'm finally going to shine.
Not so fast, young lady. We won't let you go until you've got the most beautiful hair. And to make your hair look gorgeous, we need a good hairbrush, of course. I really like this shiny yellow.
Huh! This reminds me of my mount of unironed clothes!
We all have one, Sammy. Well, I sure do. The most important part of a hairbrush is its bristles. We can't do without it. And you already know how to make it. I'd better do it thoroughly. Otherwise, gorgeous hair is out of the question. All right, what do you think, Sammy?
It shines, but does it shine enough? That's better!
I promised you the most gorgeous hair, didn't I? Here you go.
Whoa! Thanks, Sam and Sue. I couldn't have done it without you guys.
think we did a great job today. High five!
Oh, yeah!
Your Highness, thank goodness you're here. The kingdom is being battered by a storm.
Ah! I can't stand the sound of thunder! Sir Kitty Cat, make it stop!
What is it? A dragon? A sea serpent? The storm has caused a hot air balloon to spin perilously out of control.
Oh no! Someone might get hurt! Call for help! Hello? Can you hear me?
I'm sorry, but no one may enter the castle unless they are announced beforehand. The protocol is absolutely clear. We must find out who she is.
She's wearing a medal around her neck. Would that help?
That's the symbol of the Fluffy Kingdom. She must be Princess Dulcet. Hope you straighten up. We have a very important guest. Call the royal fanfare. Prepare a banquet.
I think we should try to wake her up first. Oh, Shasha! You called, Princess? This bear's hot air balloon fell out of the sky, and she's been asleep ever since. Can you help? Of course. I'll just use my wakey wand. Not this one. Not this one. Oh, here we are. This wand could wake up anybody, even a statue.
We don't care about statues. This is a princess. Do hurry. Who are you and why are you staring at me? Where am I?
It's natural to be confused, Princess. Welcome to our castle. I'm Princess Billy.
What's this filthy blanket doing on me? I assure you there is not one filthy thing in this entire castle.
Maybe you'd like to rest in my room, Princess, while you get your strength back.
No, thank you. I have seen enough of your shabby castle. Prepare me an escort. I wish to go home immediately. It was a pleasure to receive you, Your Majesty. Next time we shall hold a splendid gala in your honor.
That's not very polite. Maybe she's overreacting. After all she's been through, it's no wonder.
Are we going or what?
There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O.
Stop the carriage! I have never heard worse singing in my entire life. You, sir, are yowling.
What? Do I yowl?
Who's making all this noise on our land? These are the twin princesses, Marie and Antoinette.
I insist you not look me in the eye.
Where did this bossy bear come from? This is Princess Dulcet, and we have the honor of escorting her back to the Fluffy Kingdom. No fair! We're the ones who should be escorting a princess.
Fine by me.
We can't let you go with them, Princess. It's our duty to see you home safely.
Right this way, Princess. Pay no attention to that raggedy bunch.
What a relief to be rid of them.
Love her! Bye-bye, you babies.
Can't this tin can go any faster?
Sydney is a little slow.
Slow? It's like we're on the Sloth Express on the road to nowhere.
Good one, Chelsea.
Stop the carriage! Chop chop! Get me home soon and you'll get a big reward.
Oh, there you are! Oh, by the great sorcerer's teacup, I've been looking everywhere for you. There's been a terrible mistake. I got my wakey wand mixed up with my wake up in a bad mood wand. I might have made you a little bit mean. Don't worry, I can fix everything with my back to normal wand. There you go.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Hello. Could you help me, please? I just want to go home.
Of course, Princess. Princess Dulcet is really sweet and shy? It's all my fault. I used the wrong wand.
Breaking news, viewers! The Magic Royal Guard responsible for protecting Princess Dulcet of Fluffy Kingdom allowed her to be taken prisoner by the Serene Highnesses Marie and Antoinette.
That's a lie. She wanted to go with them.
Never mind that now. We have to go set Princess Dulcet free.
Whoa! Look at those guards. We'll never get past them.
Let me try.
Not yet. Shasha, can you repair Princess Dulcet's hot air balloon? Of course. I'll just use my fix-it wand, which I have right here. Good. Bring it back here when you're done and pick us up. Okay, what's our plan? Wait! Where's Sir Kitty Cat?
Over there.
Oh no!
That'll teach those bandits to slur the good name of the Magic Royal Guard. Let's go.
Have you come to set me free?
Yes, quick, before the twin princesses get back.
Too late! Marie, what do you think of our new remote-control throne room doors?
Well, Antoinette, it does make it hard for anyone to escape.
Where do you think those go?
I don't know, but it's our only hope. Come on. Oh, you're wasting your time. You're all our prisoners now. That's so much fun. Give up, Billy. You can't escape. I think we can. Yoo-hoo, Princess Alvin. Hey, get back on remote control. How are we supposed to get down from here?
I'm sure you'll figure it out.
Candace!
Thank you all so much. Please come and visit me soon.
We'd like that very much, Princess. I'm sorry Sir Kitty Cat's not here to say goodbye.
I'm not saying goodbye. I'm escorting the princess back to her kingdom, like any good royal guard.
Bye!
Bye, thank you.
To think that we thought Princess Dulcet was unbearable. I guess we've learned you should never judge people too quickly.
What's that noise? I took the liberty of installing a nobility detector. Thanks to this clever device, we will never miss another royal visitor again.
Everything's back to normal here. We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. It doesn't matter what I wear on the first day of school if Mr. Mean is going to be my teacher. Billy, we were just joking around about your new teacher. We don't know what he's like at all. We made all that up. You know, people who seem mean at first are sometimes very nice. And the other way around. Ha, let's go, Truman. Was she talking about us?